Welcome to our expert review of the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaners in 2025. Discover the most effective solutions to boost performance, reduce emissions, and save on costly repairs. Stay tuned till the end for our exclusive pick that outperformed all others in real-world testing. You won't want to miss it. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The Royal Purple Max Clean Fuel Cleaner and Stabilizer. A powerful auto accessory that promises real performance boosts. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. This fuel cleaner helps prevent rough idling, hesitation, and stalling, making your car run smoother. It's especially helpful for older engines or those with inconsistent fuel performance. Premature spark plug fouling can ruin your ride. Royal Purple Max Clean helps extend spark plug life by keeping them cleaner longer, saving you time and money. Knocking and pinging can seriously damage your engine. This formula targets deposit buildup, reducing those annoying noises for a quieter, healthier engine. Its advanced corrosion and oxidation inhibitors protect your engine's internals from rust and decay, especially useful in humid or salty environments. Made in China, this product comes in a single compact unit measuring 8.5 by 5.75 by 9.75 inches. It's easy to store and simple to use. Number 4. The Liqui Moly Catalytic System Clean. A must-have for keeping your engine running smooth and your emissions low. Let's break down why this product is worth your attention. This cleaner helps prevent soot buildup that can clog your catalytic converter. A clean converter means better performance and fewer costly repairs, giving you peace of mind every drive. It goes beyond the converter, cleaning your entire injection system and combustion chamber. That means smoother engine operation and a more responsive ride. Improved combustion means more power from each drop of fuel. This product boosts efficiency without needing any engine modifications. Clean engines burn fuel better, helping you save money at the pump while reducing harmful CO2 emissions. It's good for your wallet and the planet. No matter your car brand, if it has a gasoline engine and catalytic converter, this product fits right in. It's simple to use and highly effective. So if you're looking to boost performance, save fuel, and protect your engine, Liqui Moly's Catalytic System Clean is a solid pick. Number 3. Cataclean, the Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. That claims to boost performance, cut emissions, and save you from expensive repairs. Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. Cataclean helps reduce carbon buildup, targeting key components like your catalytic converter and oxygen sensors. It can cut hydrocarbon emissions by up to 50%, giving you a better shot at passing that dreaded emissions test. With cleaner fuel injectors and cylinder heads, Cataclean enhances combustion. That means better gas mileage, smoother driving, and a noticeable performance boost without expensive tune-ups. Common error codes like P0420 and P0171? Cataclean helps clear them by restoring exhaust system efficiency, potentially saving you thousands on diagnostics and repairs. Used regularly, Cataclean prevents carbon buildup in your catalytic converter. This keeps it functioning longer, extending your vehicle's life and improving overall engine health. Just pour it into your gas tank, no tools, no mechanic. It works with gas, diesel, or hybrids and is legal in all 50 states. Car care doesn't get simpler. If you're looking for an easy, affordable way to clean your fuel system and avoid costly repairs, Cataclean is definitely worth a shot. Number 2. The Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner. Let's see how it can restore performance and keep your engine running like new. Techron Concentrate Plus cleans the entire fuel system, including injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. It's designed to restore lost power, improve acceleration, and even bring back accurate fuel gauge readings. Using it can significantly reduce rough idles, hesitation, and engine surges. You'll notice smoother operation, especially when accelerating or cruising. It's like giving your engine a refreshing deep clean. If your car struggles on cold mornings, Techron helps with cold start performance, making early starts smoother and more reliable. It also improves fuel stability for up to a year. Just pour it into a nearly empty tank before refueling. Always check your vehicle owner's manual for manufacturer recommendations. Simple, clean, and hassle-free for everyday drivers. Chevron Techron is a smart, affordable way to boost performance, reduce wear, and keep your engine running longer. Definitely a must-try for better mileage and smoother driving. Thanks for watching. If you've used Techron before, drop your experience in the comments. Number 1. The Seafoam Motor Treatment. A powerful fuel and oil additive that promises to clean, lubricate, and protect your engine. Let's dive into what makes this product a garage essential. Seafoam deeply cleans fuel injectors, carburetor passageways, and intake valves. It removes stubborn chamber deposits, helping your engine run smoother. Regular use can restore lost power and improve overall efficiency by targeting buildup at the source. This treatment also lubricates upper engine parts during combustion. That extra lubrication reduces friction, extends engine life, and improves throttle response, especially useful in older or high-mileage vehicles. Add it to your oil, and it'll liquefy harmful sludge and deposits. This improves oil flow, promotes cleaner engine internals, and helps quiet noisy lifters over time. Seafoam stabilizes gas or diesel for up to 2 years. Perfect for stored vehicles, lawn equipment, or seasonal tools. No more worrying about stale fuel. It's safe in all gas or diesel blends and works with synthetic or conventional oils. That means no guesswork, just pour it in and go. Seafoam Motor Treatment truly delivers all-around engine care. It cleans, protects, and extends engine life. If you love your ride, give it the treatment it deserves.